Let's now put the spotlight on KRN Heat Exchanger and Refrigeration. And we have the management joining us. Santosh Kumar Yadav, CMD of the company, is now joining us. Mr. Yadav, afternoon, and thank you so much for joining us today. Let's talk about the second quarter results. And you've reported very strong set of numbers in the quarter gone by. Both revenue and profit after tax growth has been very solid. Revenue up 67% and profit after tax has also risen by 46% on a year-on-year basis. If you can tell us what led to this growth and what was the volume growth figure both in the domestic market and in the overseas market, and is the trend likely to continue for the rest of this year?
Good afternoon and thanks for calling us on the call. So actually, if you may be aware about our company, so we told before, because we have a capacity expansion almost 6 times compared to our existing facility. So that we started in last quarter, 30th of May. So that revenue we added in this quarter, as well as domestic and then as well as export side. So export side, we are focusing on North America and Europe and of course in UAE. So that revenue we added, and then because new capacity now is on speed up process, you can say, so it will add for sure in coming quarter and then coming quarter, and then next year we are targeting to utilization of almost 50% of our this new facility. So revenue will up for sure.
Right, Mr. Yadav, despite strong growth, the EBITDA margins have remained flat at 19 or 20 odd %. What cost of pricing pressures prevented the margin expansion this quarter?
So this console, you can say we successful to maintain the remain same. However, but new facility because we have overhead started and then depreciation also started. So it can be down, but we is able to sustain. And in next year, it will for sure increase because we have some incentive from government side. One of the PLI, second is the RIPS from Rajasthan Investment Promotion Scheme. So that incentive still we are not receiving, but next year we're going to receive. So if we will add like production ramp up, then incentives. So for sure, this EBITDA margin will increase.
How much will the EBITDA margin increase by on account of this PLI incentive? And if you can quantify this incentive for us, what is the amount?
So we receive PLI on heat exchanger products. So it's next year it can be around 5%, and then after next year it will be 4% of heat exchanger top lines, and the RIPS we will able to take around 1.5% of top line on all products. For 10 years. So RIPS we will get for 10 years and PLI for 2 years.
Right. Mr. Yadav, where does the order book stand and what is the execution timeline for you?
So our product is not catalog item and not project based. So because we do B2B business, so we have OEMs like continue rolling each month. So you can say okay, order book is rolling because customer raise order to for next 20 days only. So it's continue on the same pace. And it will be continuous similar like that only. It's not project based. So you can say we have for next 1 month order, but it's rolling. So not similar like maybe projects companies like whatever.
Understood. And Mr. Yadav, if you can tell us any kind of impact that you're seeing on tariffs, of tariffs on export, how much revenue do you generate from the export segment? And because of tariff, if you're seeing any kind of impact?
So as of now, from fin and tube type, we are getting around export side around 20% on total. So mainly from UAE and then Europe and then North America. Of course, we have some development on pause because of tariff, but we are expecting it will resolve soon because we have some news like from government side, or you can say on the, of course, in channel side, there is some going on to settle down the things. So hopefully, I think next 4 to 6 weeks it will settle down, and we expect it will be much lower. And then of course it will be able to increase business, especially for North America because of tariff.
Mr. Yadav, given your heavy reliance on copper tubes and copper, heat exchangers, how is the recent rise in copper prices influencing your cost structure and the pricing strategy?
We do business like B2B only with OEMs. So of course, in maybe short term it's impact, but it's a rolling because last quarter average we apply next quarter to all our OEMs. So maybe you can say 1 or month we can a bit, but next quarter we can recover from our OEM only. So risk not our side is we always pass to our customers for LME copper, LME aluminum, and USD to INR conversion, all three things.
Okay, so you're saying that you're not expecting any kind of major negative impact on account of surge in copper prices that we've seen over the last few quarters, and margins are likely to expand in FY27, one on account of PLI incentive and second also on account of production ramp up. Mr. Yadav, thank you so much for taking your time out and joining us here on ET Now and helping us understand what the outlook is for the next few quarters. Thanks so much for joining us today. On that note,